So the next thing I like to do is I like to clean along the sides here, as well as clean on the inside, clean out all of that oil. I use a product such as Herschel's carburetor and metal parts cleaner. Nice tip I can give you guys, you can use a brush like this here to clean on the inside of the grooves. This is actually a dog's brush, you can get it from your local vet store. Once you're happy with the cleaning process and everything looks like pretty much new on the inside, you can go ahead and either put your new valve cover on or put the old one on if it's not cracked. Put your new valve cover on. That's part number. With the new valve cover back in place, what you can do is you can torque this down to 5 Newton meters as a start. All of these bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4, and work your way around. So with the valve cover now installed, we need to transfer the cap over. It comes with a new PCV valve, and we'll have to transport or put the breather valve back onto there. So what we'll do is all the components that we took out of the car, as well as these spark plug guides, all of the old components, we'll just give it a good clean, and then we'll put it back onto the valve cover, and we'll clean the rest of the stuff like the fuel rail and the injectors and that so forth as well. So there we have it, that's how to install a valve cover on a BMW N54. I'm sure the same process will apply to many other cars. I just gave the engine a good clean wash down with my detailing brushes, and that they will give it a vacuum off and then wipe off this area. But that's how to do a detail on a newly installed valve cover. So we're pretty much done with the install. I haven't installed the fuel rail, but that we'll figure out. How you took it out is how you're going to put it back in. The reason is there's some washers that are missing here, as well as some things that are missing on the inside, couple of bolts, so I'll get that tomorrow. Give the engine bay a good clean wash. You can see there, you can see on top as well. What I like to do, and another top tip that I like to use, is I like to keep as a reference all the injector coatings. So I'll go back and check the injector coatings. I'll also take the plugs out and check the gaps on the plugs and all the missing bolts that I found on the car itself, and I'll order that tomorrow, as well as all the miscellaneous items that I've used on the car. So there we go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY series. I do intend on doing a bit more of this DIY series to save you guys a lot of money. And I would just like to thank and appreciate the support that I got in the previous video. It is really overwhelming to see the response on that video. With that in mind, I think I'll be doing a good few more interviews, and there's a couple of sponsorships that's also lined up as well. Hopefully those come through, and yeah, till we meet again. Peace.